What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Audi Q7. This is how you replace the remote batteries. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. The silver piece is actually the emergency key. Now if we look on the sides here, we have some buttons. There's one here and one on the other side. We need to squeeze these buttons at the same time. Squeeze them pretty good, and then the emergency key will come right out. Okay, now we're going to use these buttons again. We're going to squeeze, and then we're going to pull like this, and the battery holder is going to come out with it. Okay, so we'll squeeze, and then we'll just kind of wiggle and pull. You probably want to wiggle and pull, and you'll see the battery holder come right out. Now sometimes they can be kind of sticky, okay, and if they are, you're going to want to squeeze and use a little screwdriver or something right here, and you can use it to help you pull it. But a lot of times you can just squeeze these guys and just pull them right out. Okay, this is what holds the battery, and I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size the battery actually is. All right, and here is the new battery right here. It is a CR2032, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get some of these batteries for like $1. So if you need one, go check that out. But notice how this one has a positive sign on the front of it right here. Well, that's going to be facing down in the holder, and on the holder here it has a positive sign too, just in case you get lost. We're going to stick that in there just like that. Then we're going to put it right back into the remote. Okay, then we're going to need to squeeze these, and it'll click back together just like that. And then we get the emergency key, slide it back in, it'll lock all together, and you're done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.